Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in Locus. Until last class we have finished 15 number of questions. We will see from question number 16 to 20 in this class. Okay. See, this question is asked in Eamcet 2019. The ends of rod of length L moves on two mutually perpendicular lines. The locus of the point on the rod which divides it in the ratio 1:2 is. Okay. See here, if you observe or if you understand this question, the rod is moving on mutually perpendicular lines, means it is moving on x and y axis. Why? Because x axis, y axis are mutually perpendicular. See how we have to draw this figure. Say this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, in between mutually perpendicular means these are mutually perpendicular each other, and length of the rod is moving and touching. That's all. See how I am representing this. Is it okay? That means length of the rod is this one, L. Okay, say this is A, this is B. AB is length of the rod moving on mutually perpendicular axis. Okay, see, this is origin, like you can take up to this A you can take, and this you take as B. Okay, until now okay, but come back again. The ends of rod of length L moves on two mutually perpendicular lines. The locus of the point on the rod which divides it in the ratio 1:2. That is very important. You see, 1:2 means you have to take like this, 1:2. This may be the P, like locus. Locus of the point you have to find. Okay, See, to find this locus of the point, x is equal to 2 into a divided by 2 plus 1. That you have to write. This already we have seen. See how I am writing. X is equal to, see, this is small x, not x axis, y axis. X is equal to opposite to 2 into a. Why? Because we are counting on a. X means here, y means here. 2 into a divided by 2 plus 1. 2a divided by 2 plus 1, comma, y is equal to 1 into b divided by 1, 2 plus 1. 1 into b, or shall I write only b? b by 2 plus 1. That means x is equal to 2a by 3, comma, y is equal to b by 3. Okay, these are the coordinates. Okay, see, and also we know that this is a what we can say, right angle triangle. A square plus b square is equal to L square. That also you write down. A square plus b square is equal to L square. A square plus b square is equal to L square. This is L. Okay? Okay, see, A, how can we find? See, here A is there. A is equal to 3x by 2. Write down. 3x by 2 whole square plus b. B is how much? B is equal to 3y. That's all. 3y whole square is equal to L square. Is it okay? Definitely okay. A is equal to 3x by 2, b is equal to 3y, that's all. Okay, write down 9x square by 4 plus 9y square by 1. Why? Because nothing is there means 1. That is equal to L square. Cross multiply. 9x square plus 4 into 9, 36y square divided by 4 is equal to L square. Or else directly I can write 9x square plus 36y square is equal to 4L square. 9x square plus 36y square is equal to 4L square. This is the locus of this point. Why? Because this point, locus of this point. This is answer for this question. Take this, we will go for 17th question. Okay, see, question number 17. Let point Q, x1, y1 be a variable point and point R, 1, 0 be a point on the circle What is the circle? The circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. See, x square plus y square is equal to 1 means here center is 0 and radius is 1. Okay? But that is not required for us, that is not that much important. And P be the midpoint of QR, that is important. P be the midpoint of QR. Then the locus of point P, always they will ask locus of P only. P is xy. Okay, see, I am drawing some diagram. Simply you observe. This is Q, this is R, this is P. But P is midpoint. P is midpoint. That means exactly in between. Okay. See that P is xy. And xy value we can find why, because and Q and R both they have given. Q is how much? x1 comma y1. R is 1 comma 0. Okay. See, locus of point P they are asking. And also another important point is the point Q is on this circle x square plus y square. That you have to understand carefully. See, first of all, see, Q is on circle. That means you see, I am writing what I am writing. Q is on circle. Why? Because that Q and R are point on the circle. Okay, on the circle. You see, if Q is on the circle, what is the circle? Implies x square plus y square is equal to 1. Implies Q is what? x1. x1 square. Sorry. x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 1. In place of x, x1, in place of y, y1, you substitute. Okay. This is one equation like you take or you box it. Okay. Now come back again. See, this is one equation. Why? Because P, Q and R both are on circle, but I have taken Q, substituted. x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 1, I have taken. Okay. Now you see, they have already mentioned P is the midpoint of QR. Midpoint of QR means what? This is what? x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to x. Because P is midpoint, comma, y1 plus 0 by 2 is equal to y. Okay, exactly midpoint. See, x1 is equal to 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1, x1. Okay, comma, y1 is equal to 2y. 2y plus 0 is 2y only. Okay, x1, y1, 2y has come. Okay, see, now midpoint you have found. From midpoint you have found again x1, y1 values. But these x1, y1 values you substitute in this. That's all. You are going to get the locus. Substitute in this x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 1. Once again you write. See what I am writing. x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 1. Implies x1 is how much? 2x minus 1 square plus y1 is how much? 2y whole square is equal to 1. Okay? Proceed. A square 4x square plus b square 1 minus 2ab 2 into 2 4x plus b square 4y square is equal to 1. 1 you cancel out. Okay, 1 you cancel out. Then you see 4 also you can okay, write down first. See, 4x square plus 4y square minus 4x is equal to 0. 4 one times, you take common 4 and cancel out. That means see, x square plus y square minus x is equal to 0. This is the locus of this question. Locus of the point. Answer for this question, locus of that point. X square plus y square minus x is equal to 0 is answer. Take this, we will go for 18th question. Okay, see question number 18. The locus of a point P, xy, satisfying the equation x minus 2 whole square plus y square under root x plus 2 whole square plus y square under root is equal to 4. is, what is that locus is? See here, Pxy means these xy is only this one, x, y, x, okay? Now if you solve this, automatically you are going to get one equation. Based on that equation, we came to know that whether that equation is an ellipse, parabola, line segment or circle line. Circle means we know x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Ellipse also we know x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. Line segment, y is equal to mx plus c or anything, y is equal to something. If comes means line or line segment like that. See, up to for this question, we can say, because completely line segment equation is completely different. Linear equation rather we can say. See, parabola and all, that is different thing, okay? Okay, let us see what will come and all, then we will analyze. Okay, then proceed further. See here you don't have any option, they have already given square root, you cannot avoid. What you have to do, you send one that side. See what I am doing. X minus 2 whole square plus y square under root is equal to 4 minus this one. X plus 2 whole square plus y square under root. Okay? Is it okay? Yes. Now, you square on both sides. Square on both sides. I think their space is not there. I am writing here. Squaring on both sides will give this side x minus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to square a minus b whole square. A square 16 plus b square. That means root will go. Same thing will come. Minus is going to disappear. Why? Because square a square plus b square, x plus 2 whole square plus y square. But now minus 2ab, minus will come, okay? 2ab, 2 into 4 into this root 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 times of square root of x plus 2 whole square plus y square will come. Here this root we cannot avoid, okay? Presently. We will see what will happen and all. First analyze, equal to this side y square is there. First you cancel these two y squares. Okay? Now as usual, what we have done earlier, you send minus term this side and plus term that side. See what I am doing? 8 into square root of x plus 2 whole square plus y square. This side I have brought. That side you see 16 plus x plus 2 whole square. Don't expand. Why? Because the x plus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square are going to get what we can say 4ab will come. Okay? Minus. Why? Because this side is plus, that side is minus. X minus 2 whole square. Okay? Anything else? No. 16 is there? Yes. X plus 2 whole square is there. 8 this side has come. Y square cancel this one. Okay. You see, this is okay. But what about this? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. 4ab. 4 into x into 2. 8x. Write down. Comma you keep. 8 times of x plus 2 whole square plus y square and the root is equal to 16 will be like this only plus 8x. 4ab means 8x. Okay, see 8 if you take common, 2 plus x plus this 8 also going to get cancelled. You see what I am writing now? X plus 2 whole square. Why? Because now 8 will not be there. I have cancelled it. Taken common and cancelled like you think. But root is still there. That is equal to x plus 2. Is it correct? Why? Because 8 has gone. 8 divided by 1. 8 divided by 8, 1. 8. 60 divided by 8 is 2. 1. X plus 2. X plus 2. Okay? Now wait. Now you square on both sides. Now this square root is going to disappear. Write down. X plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to, well, because this how this squared x plus 2 whole square. This side also squaring on both sides. Now this root is going to disappear. If you observe carefully, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square cancel out. y square is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Is it okay? Now you tell me, as per this equation y is equal to 0, it is not ellipse or parabola or circle, then you put line segment, that's all. Okay? The answer is line segment. Take this, we will go for question number 19. Okay, see question number 19. 2 points A minus A0 and B A0 are given. Okay. If C is a variable point lying on one side of the line AB, okay, I will draw the diagram first to understand the question. Okay, such that angle CAB minus angle CBA is equal to alpha. Okay, that means you have to draw some triangle where alpha is a positive constant. Then locus of point C is like they are asking. This question is asked in Eamcet 2019. You see, I am drawing one diagram. Then you can understand, or else we are not able to do this question. Okay, see here. This is origin O. Okay, see. Why I have written origin and this both side? Why? Because you see minus A plus A both are there. Both side you have to take it. See, let this is minus A 0. Because vertical axis is 0. Y. Here also, this is plus A, comma 0. Vertical axis 0, but horizontal axis is A. But one point, you see, this point you take as A, this point you take as B. Okay, these 2 points, AB. Now, see, already they have given AB. Now, another point is there, C, that is XY like. C is another side. Another side of AB like they have mentioned. One side of AB. This side or that side, both side you can take. I am taking this side. C, this is C, okay? See, from C, you draw lines, straight lines. Understand that point? See, from point C, you have to find the locus. That is important. That means C is here XY. You see, from C again you draw one parallel line. It will touch here. You see here, this line you can take A, B, C or D. Okay, D. And you see here, you take this OD as X. OD as X. Then what about OB? OB is A, already mentioned. OA is minus A. Minus A means the distance you have to take as A only. In negative direction, that's all. Like that you have to think. Okay, see, what about CD then? CD is Y. That is one thing. Another thing I have mentioned, you see, CAB and CBA they have mentioned. CAB and CBA. That means angles you have to keep. CAB, CBA. These 2 angles also you have to write. See, I am writing angles. These angles I am taking as theta and phi. See, this is theta. This is phi. Clearly they have mentioned that theta minus phi is equal to alpha. Write down. Theta minus phi is equal to alpha. Okay. Now, how to come to this question? What we can say? Locus. See, we do one thing. Tan theta we take. Tan theta. See what I am writing first. Tan theta, tan phi we will take. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is y, okay, y divided by adjacent side is what? See, from D to A means x plus A. Don't write x minus A. Why? Because the distance, total distance you have to take from here to here in negative direction, but to A plus x. Shall I write A plus x or x plus A? X plus A. Okay? Or A minus x. Yes, A plus x we write. A plus x. Okay? Then what about tan phi? Tan phi is equal to y by A. No. A minus x. See, from 0 to B is A, but in between you have to take only this one. That one is means X you have to minus A minus X. That's all. Okay. See, tan theta, tan phi you are having. I am applying tan here also. Tan of, write down. Tan of theta minus phi is equal to tan of alpha. Okay. Then what is tan of alpha? Tan theta minus alpha means tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B. Write down. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, 1 plus tan A tan B. Point C they are asking. Point C. Okay, alpha. Locus of point C. Okay, see. Proceed further. See, tan theta value you are having, tan phi value also you are having, and you substitute in this. Let me write y by a plus x minus y by a minus x divided by 1 plus y by a plus x into y by a minus x. Okay, into. Then you proceed further. You cross multiply y into a minus x minus y into a plus x divided by a square minus x square. Okay? Here also you see a square minus x square plus y square. Shall I write divided by symbol here? A square minus x square into y square plus y square. Not into. A square minus x square plus y square divided by a square minus x square. Okay? See, when it is in divided by, then if you want to make it multiplication, you reverse it. And also you take common of y. Y if I take common, a minus x minus a minus x. Because outside minus is there. Minus a minus x. Y I have taken common. Divided by a square minus x square. Into, now a square minus x square goes to numerator. A square minus x square plus y square. A square minus x square you cancel out, and here also inside you see a minus a get cancelled out. Okay. Now you come back. That is equal to. Let me see the board. Okay, one more line I can write. You see, minus 2xy. Minus 2xy numerator, you write down minus 2xy divided by a square minus x square plus y square. A square minus x square plus y square. You see, you need not keep this now. A square minus x square plus y square. Okay. This is what? This is tan alpha. Write down. Tan alpha. Okay, see, I will do one thing. Entire thing I want to transfer one side. R is 1 by cot alpha also I can write this. Tan alpha, 1 by cot alpha also. Okay, write down. Why? Because answer they have given cot alpha. That is why I want to change it. R else I am making it a standard answer. You see, a square minus x square plus y square into tan alpha plus 2xy equal to 0 plus 2xy equal to 0. Is it okay? First you see. Or else 1 by cot alpha you take and cross multiply. That also you can do. This is also correct. Okay. See what I am doing? I am rubbing this. I am making it to cot alpha also. See, based on your answer in your question examination, you have to change the answer. Okay, see. Now I am changing this as 1 by cot alpha. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta. Write down. 1 by cot alpha is equal to minus 2xy divided by a square minus x square plus y square. Now you cross multiply. A square minus x square plus y square is equal to minus 2xy cot alpha. Okay, minus 2 cot alpha. Then you bring all one side. A square minus x square plus y square plus 2xy cot alpha is equal to 0. This will be the answer. See, both are correct only. But here if you see, 2xy cot alpha is good than this one. Only 2xy and tan alpha is multiplying for all this. This answer is good. But based on your objective type answer, you have to change this. Okay? Take this, we will go for next question. Okay. See, question number 20. The equation of the locus of a point 2 cos theta minus 3, 3 sin theta minus 4 is like they have mentioned. How can we proceed? Such question comes in your examination. This is asked in Eamcet 2018. See, simply one point they have given, they are asking us to find the locus there. How we are going to find? Naturally, whatever the point they are asking to find the locus, that point will be pxy. Okay, see what I am writing. Let pxy is equal to, this one you have to write. Let pxy is equal to 2 cos theta minus 3 comma 3 sin theta minus 4. Okay. See, x is equal to 2 cos theta minus 3, y is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4. Like this first step you have to write. Even afterwards also, how can you solve this? Only one point they have given and nothing data they have given. Hint is there. You see here sin theta is there, cos theta is there. That means, see, with sin theta, cos theta, with any trigonometric formula, you have to make one equation like. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Like that, you can bring that equation in a, what we can say, locus form. See, how to find then cos theta? Simply, you send all that side except cos theta, then cos theta will come. You send all except sin theta value will come. See what I am writing now. 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 3. Cos theta is equal to x plus 3 by 2. 3 sin theta is equal to y plus 4. Sin theta is equal to y plus 4 by 3. Okay? Now point P has come. P, what is this P? No, point P not come. Point P is this only. Now sin theta, cos theta values have come. Now you take the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now you substitute this sin theta, cos theta values. Sin square theta means see y plus 4 by 3 whole square plus x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 1. Okay, this step you have to write. Written. Now proceed. See, y plus 4 whole square. See, both square you have to make. Denominator square is simply 9, 4. But here you have to make. You see, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by c square 9 plus a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by 4 is equal to 1. Okay? Okay. Now, cross multiply. 4y square, write down. 4y square plus 64 plus 32y. 4y square plus 64 plus 32y plus 9x square plus 81 plus 54x divided by 9 into 4, 36 is equal to 1. First you see, is it correct? 4 times, 9 times cross multiplication, denominator is 36. Now this 36 you send that side. Send that side 36. You see, now if you send 36 that side, I am writing first x square. Let's see what I am writing now. 9x square plus 4y square. Next x term I will write plus 54x, y term plus 32y. Now see, all you add 81 plus 64, 85 plus 60, 145 plus 145 is equal to 36. Is it okay? Okay, now you bring 36 also this side. 145, yeah, write down. 9x square plus 4y square plus 54x plus 32y. Now wait, 145 minus 36. See, 15 minus 6 is 9. 3, 0, 109 plus 109 is equal to 0. This is the locus of this equation. Okay, take this. We'll stop this class here. We have done up to question number 20. We will try to solve 10 more questions or 15 more questions. We will stop this chapter locus. Okay, thank you very much.